Greetings from Snake Mountain Boat Works on Wednesday, February 12, 2020. Anthony has been working on the framing and in particular the outside planks for the bottom, removing fasteners where he could. And what we've discovered is that crash caused some additional damage that we hadn't seen before. Anthony, you want to come around and talk to us about what you've...
Quite a few of the screws, when we tried to unscrew it, just snapped off in the holes.
So they were really already broken then, huh?
Yeah, a lot of them just spun in their place, and we pulled it out and there was just the head of the screw. So now I'm just going through, drilling them out. I'm drilling out all the holes just a little bit over, and then we're going to toothpick them off. And but I gotta drill out further around the screw because the bits just aren't, chewing through the what was left of the screw. So I have to take a little more room out of it and take a pair of needle nose vice grips or pliers and spin them out.
So what we're discovering is this is on both sides of the boat. Yes, she is a 47. Yes, she is 70-odd years old. But still, in all the time Snake Mountain Boat Works has been working on boats and putting on bottoms and dealing with damage, never have I seen a bottom where over half the fasteners are snapped. And we noticed when we removed the two damaged frames back here, and we still haven't gotten back to do the final sanding in of these new ones. In this case, every single, let's say 90% of the screws had snapped. And I am wondering if what we're seeing, since they're all snapped at about the same place, right at just fair with the face of the frame, it must be that when this boat slammed into the rocks, it jarred the hull so severely that it snapped all of these fasteners. So at this point, Anthony hasn't done this frame yet or all of the next one, but once we drill all of these out, then every single one will be toothpicked, which involves inserting a sufficient number of toothpicks into each hole that have been dipped in Gorilla Glue, that we create essentially a new core. And the toothpicks that we're able to buy now are ash. I haven't been able to find maple, hard rock maple toothpicks for some time, but the ash toothpicks are plenty hard. They get inserted, glued in place, then we cut them off, sand everything fair, and essentially we have an entirely new wood surface to sink the new fasteners in. The bottom planks themselves, what have you found, Anthony? About 2/3 of them are in decent shape?
12 out of the 22 were broken, cracked, missing pieces from them. So a little over half.
A little over half. So we'll be fabricating anew a little over half of the exterior planking. We'll only use that which is in excellent condition. The inner skin on this 5200 bottom will be Aquatech Meranti marine plywood. And Anthony is having way too much fun drilling out all of these screws so that we can go to the next step. So we'll leave him to continue working. and end this update on our 1947 Chris Craft U22. Thank you so much. Bye-bye for now from Snake Mountain Boat Works.